What the fuck is... Oh my god, it's a real equipment train. What? No. No way. Yeah, buddy. That's awesome. That's weird. Whoa, that's awesome. Fuck. Woohoo! What a catch. I just got here. That's amazing. Check that out. It's a track laying fucking train. No way. That's so cool. Never filmed that before in the CN line. I filmed that in my area on the CP line actually last year. No way. That's amazing. Because now there's a backlog, right? That's been they're working on a backlog from the blockades that have been lifted. So there's going to be some CN trains today, man. Gonna get them all. Oh fuck yeah. Hey, those are old cars. Look at that. Canadien National. Unbelievable. Where's he going? Hey, who knows? That's amazing. What a catch. I just got off the 211 like 4 minutes ago. Nice 2008 hybrid ride. There's the engine right there. There's your power. Woo-hoo. I wonder if there's a guy in there. Yeah, baby! Woo! Should have gave him the signal to give me the horn. That engine didn't look old either. It looked like it was rebuilt or something. First time I yelled like that at a conductor. I figured he'd probably hear me. They're not revved up or anything, you know.